TJ's on the beat.
Baby girl, they are so.
My name is Omale Isaac. I'm from Benin State. I grew up in Port Harcourt in LMA local government. I'm an R&B singer.
Baby girl, they are so. Yeah, you dey give me melody. You still dey give me energy. You still dey give me energy. Oh, no.
I've recorded about 5 songs now. My first song was with one of my artists, one of my friends. That was titled Calling. That was when I started in 2018. So I go further to release the second one, which is titled Finally. Out of all the songs that I recorded, the one that, because I've recorded the 4 songs long time ago, but the Philomena I just dropped of recent, like, I can't just understand, it has gone so viral to the extent that me myself, I'm so shocked. So the Philomena, it's trending. Where my main focus is R&B, but I still do hip hop, and I can flow up to any kind of songs at all. But my main core is R&B. I would like to do a collab with Omale. The video has always been the number one. I don't know if you skip one. When I wanted to start, that was in 2018. I started the journey in 2018. When I was telling my friends that I can sing, that I'm about to sing stuff, some of them were like, "What do you want to sing? Like, what can you sing?" So when I got to the studio at first, the person that produced me, that was enough skills. I was shivering, as in kind of scared when people were around. My body was shaking. Everybody in the studio just looking at me. So I was so scared. Where after I did the first song, despite the scare, all the stuff, I managed to overcome everything. When I did the first song, so I posted. My friends were like, "You tried to Kiniko, all those stuff." So some motivated me. Some were like, "It's not so nice. You have to put up more strength." So I gathered courage. So, like I said, that the first song, that's the song that people don't like. But from then, the 4 other ones that I released, I'm not saying I'm proud of myself, but many loves all of them. I won't get angry. Rather, I'll pick courage and do more. It's not everybody that will appreciate you in life. So what they say determine how you are going to improve. I can't just expect everyone to say your song is okay, you try Kiniko. There must be people that will say that this is not cool, you have to put more effort. So if anyone should say that to me, I won't be angry at all. Rather, I will put more effort. My songs, I do write it myself. Like, I'm a kind of person that even if somebody called me today that we are going to the studio tomorrow, I can use this night to compose a song immediately. Writing a song is not hard for me at all. Well, before I started the music career, I used to be a very popular goalkeeper back then in the community where I grew up, Eleme. That is in Rivers State. I used to be the best. I'm not proud. If anybody is listening to this now, the person can testify. I used to be one of the best goalkeepers so far. But as time goes on, when I see that everything is not working out for me, then I still have passion for singing, but I'm not doing it then. So when I see that I couldn't get along with the football stuff, I got to switch to music. But apart from the music stuff, I still have a little passion for modeling and all those fashion stuff. I choose to do music because I always wanted something that will enable me stand in front of crowd. Davido, Kiss Daniel, Peruzzi. Gosh, I mean, just give me like 50 billion. I go like me give me wisdom so that I go fit use and wear. Another thing, I not too dey greedy o. Dey make it give me long life and prosperity. If I don't get money na start, I go fit dey alive, use wisdom take dey manage am. You know understand?
Oh yeah, nah, happy.
Na when one of my friend give me money say make I go studio, because when I did the first song, they were kind of you try. So when I did the second one, everybody loved the second one. Then like when I wanted to do the third one, it was so difficult for me. There is my friend called Williams. So I told him that I wanted to go into the studio. I don't have money, stuff. He said, bro, no worry. Now I got you covered. That if the so he gave me so date that so date that he would give me money to go to the studio. So I just used that night to write the song. So the following day, I just got an alert, and he told me that, bro, you can go now. So I was very, very excited. That morning, I even cried. I said, God, please, do not let me to just start this journey and end it halfway. At least, let me, at the end of everything, let me make do that. Believe in me.
Yeah, I make you my desire. You too far, you pass Maria. I eat you like a Maria.